guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing the vending machine only challenge. So in this challenge we can only use loot from vending machines. It's pretty simple. Alright, let's see if I can get a dub using only vending machine loot. Okay guys, so we are in and we gotta find a vending machine. Oh, okay. Is there even a vending machine?
There isn't
one. There isn't one. We gotta leave, we gotta leave. Yes, we got them both, we got them both. Okay, there's no vending machine here. We're gonna go find it if I'm right. It didn't spawn. Are you for real? Bro.
Oh,
that sucks. I don't know. There's a vending machine. Of course there's a vending machine. Alright, we're in Reckless. With some amazingly safe driving. Nitro Fist, I see Nitro Fist. You're right here. Yeah. We'll see. What do they have? What do they have? Oh, they have a heavy impact sniper. That's actually not bad. Ever. Being dead. Oh, we are so good at Fortnite. We are so good at Fortnite. Oh, I'm screwed. I do not have mats. Mr. Vibe, I need a res. Oh, I dropped my med mist. Alright. You got this, Mr. Vibe. You're gonna cook. Oh, I think they're dead. You got this. Absolutely cook. Alright, I cannot use this pistol because it was not from a vending machine. I see one. Yes.
Nope.
I think it's another sniper one though. No, it's a DMR thing.
I'll take that.
I bought you a DMR. There is a lot of shooting, and I have a DMR and a dream, so I'm gonna hop in on it. Bro, nuking works so well. Let us see what is inside here. Uh-oh. I hope that does not blow up the gas station. Yep, that blew up the gas station. Alrighty, let's find some players.
Oh, hit him for 65 hit, and knocks.
Destroyed. There's a vending machine. Why?
Maybe not.
Oh, they're right there. They're right there. You hit him 5. Wow, he's dead. Come on, get him. Oh. Yeehaw! Oh, crap. 65 with one. Oh, knocked one.
No, I killed one. Oh, yes, okay. I think it's all over.
Yes, we got him. Oh, bro, he had all medals. We can't take any of the things. But, oh, I had the medals. I have Megalodon Nitro Fist.
I hit him for 74 each.
Kids are getting fried. Those are getting fried like the fried chicken. Oh, I'm pickaxing her! I pickaxed her to death! Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm dead.
Crap.
Oh, and she finished me.
I finished your teammate though.
You might want to get in the car and just run.
Nitro Fists! It's time to rumble!
You got him.
Let's
Now
go.
you can get my medallion and just cook.
Alright, baby. We're going.
Alright, you have to beat a duo. Unless if you want to revive me, yeah.
I can probably... I see them too, I see them.
So you do? Yeah, those are like above you.
Crap. No, bro! Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead, I'm dead. Come on, come on. Oh, wow. Oh, we were so close! Oh my goodness. That was very good. Alright guys, so last time we got so close to a victory. So let's see if this game we can get a dub. Alright guys, we're going to be heading over to Reckless and we're going to see if we can get a dub and see if we can find a vending machine over there. Alright, Mr. Vibe got knocked, so we are going to hop in his car. We're going to go save him. I got it. I got the card, I got the card.
Yeah, he did. That's the kid that was trying to kill me. Those are the kids that try to kill me.
I knocked that one.
That's a good job.
Finish.
Mr.starry, you might.
Wow. Alright, I absolutely cooked them. I'm getting the sort barrels and I'm leaving. Alright, Mr. Vibe is rebooted. Hire him. Alright, yep. Now, at least he can shoot other people.
There's a kid here.
Pickaxed him. I pickaxed him.
That was insane.
Alright,
Yeah,
so I think now we need to find kind of like a vending machine, maybe. Our AI is gonna have to clutch up. Alright, I see some new here. Oh.
How is this kid not dead yet? Okay, I knocked one kid.
Let's go, bro.
There we go.
Let's actually go. Yep.
Oh, there's kids in here.
There are?
Yeah,
What? Marshmallow, what are you doing? Not your place, buddy.
Ooh. Oh, I'm 5 HP. I'm dead. My AI.
One AI, clutch up. AI, clutch.
He doesn't know where you are.
I'm pickaxing! I pickaxed him! Let's go, bro! I pickaxed him! This is the craziest game ever! Their Star Grills does have a vending machine. No, bro, it's a, what's it called? It's one of them. There might be one just dangling around. Alright, I found me a Cybertruck, and with this Cybertruck, I will see if we can somehow get something from a vending machine.
Might get some Cybertruck luck.
There's not a vending machine here?
I read about
Cars.
Bro, he's only targeting me.
Wow, I aimed so good there.
There's like more. Yeah, there's there. Took one.
Noise. I don't think there is. I have a bad feeling. No, there's not one here. Now we have a banger Cybertruck. Yep, no, none here. I see some more up here. There's kids everywhere. Knocked. here. There's a man up here. Knocked him, knocked him, knocked him. Okay. Wiping out the lobby. There's more.
For real. Alright,
Bro, we are
that was
cooking.
nice.
Oh my god. Yes, there is! Finally! Finally! Oh, it's an AR-12. Let's go, bro. The Cybertruck. I'm so glad we got this.
Oh, last time our cars are
kids.
crazy.
I want to kill the kids, but I think, well, actually, never mind. Oh, our car's getting low. Our car's getting low. I'm dipping. Okay, just keep an eye out.
Okay.
He's in the back. I'm dipping.
They're like super low too. One low.
Oh,
Run. I'm super low.
crap, our car's dead.
One up.
Bro.
AI died.
Alright, I was kind of screwed there, but honestly, we did pretty good there.